So now let's see how we can work around with erasing and clearing a frame inside of Google Jamboard. So to do that, I'm going to go around onto my pen tool and then just draw out some random thing right here. So if you want to erase out a specific area, then you can go around onto the erase tool and then erase this out. So the eraser tool can erase out the pen contents easily, as you can see right here. So now this is the basic erasing and you don't have any further options with the erasing. But however, if you want to clear out everything that you have in the frame, then you simply go around onto the top and click on clear frame right here. So what you can also do is use the eraser for different things. Let's say, for example, I type in A right here. There's some extra bits. What you can simply do is erase out and then refine all of these areas right here. You can go around right here and go around just like this, erase the thing according to how you like it. And that is how you can work around with erasing and clearing of frames inside of Google Jamboard. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.